with stoutness influencing in excess of 33% of grown-ups in the United States. Recognizing new weight reduction techniques is a key need for analysts. In another investigation, researchers uncover how drinking dark tea could be one such system. Dark tea is one of America's best cherished drinks, representing around 8% of all tea expended in the nation. With regards to the medical advantages, notwithstanding, dark tea is frequently dominated by green tea, which numerous investigations have hailed for its capacity to help weight reduction. Be that as it may, the new examination shows that dark tea ought not be dismissed. It might be similarly as compelling as green tea for losing the pounds, it just works in an unexpected way. Let's examine creator Suzanne Henning, of the Center for Human Nutrition at the David Geffen School of Medicine at the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, and Associates as of late revealed their discoveries in the European Journal of Nutrition. Both dark tea and green tea contain polyphenols. These are cancer prevention agents that secure cell structures, for example, DNA and cell films, against harm from free radicals. Polyphenols from green tea are sufficiently little to be consumed into the circulation system and body tissues, and studies have demonstrated that they can modify the liver's vitality, digestion in a way that advances weight reduction. As Henning clarifies, our new discoveries propose that dark tea, through a particular component through the gut microbiome, may likewise add to great well-being and weight reduction in people. Dark tea versus green tea. The group went to its discoveries by concentrating 4 gatherings of mice. Each gathering took after an alternate eating regimen for a time of a month, a high-fat, high-sugar abstain from food, a high-fat, high-sugar eating routine supplemented with green tea removed, a high-fat, high-sugar eating regimen supplemented with dark tea extricate, and a low-fat, high-sugar consumed less calories. The scientists gathered liver tissue tests from the rodents so as to quantify fat stores, and they additionally gathered examples from the digestive organ, which empowered them to survey bacterial assorted variety. Toward the finish of the 4-week dietary mediation, the scientists found that both the green tea and dark tea bunches shed pounds, and their weights ended up practically identical with the low-fat, high-sugar eating routine gathering. The investigation likewise uncovered that both tea bunches experienced increments in gut microbes identified with slender weight and declines in gut microscopic organisms related with stoutness. Another motivation to drink dark tea. On a cyst examination, the analysts saw that dark tea and green tea influenced the liver digestion of rodents in various ways. Henning clarifies that the littler green tea atoms are consumed all the more effectively, which means they can achieve the liver straightforwardly to influence vitality digestion. Be that as it may, dark tea particles are too huge to ever be caught up along these lines. Rather, they stay in the digestive system, where they support the development of well-disposed gut microbes and frame metabolites that assistance to control liver vitality digestion. It was additionally discovered that the dark tea assemble had larger amounts of a microscopic organisms called Pseudobutyra vibrio, which they recommend could assume a part in the varying impacts of green and dark tea on vitality digestion. In general, they trust that their discoveries demonstrate that dark tea might be similarly as valuable for well-being as the broadly acclaimed green tea.